solve. Here we have a equation involving logarithm. Can somebody tell me what would be the first step? Okay, the first step is to convert the logarithm into the exponential. Anybody know how to do that? If I have log of x is equal to y, can somebody tell me how do you write this in its corresponding exponential notation? You need to know that first. Okay, nobody? Okay, you take the base of the logarithm, and that would be base of your exponential. So then you write that b to the power of y is equal to x. So you have to remember this. Everybody write this down somewhere. You need to know this for most of the problems that involve a logarithm for this section. So you need to convert the logarithm to exponential. Knowing this formula, I'm going to write down this right below that. Can somebody tell me how do you convert this into its exponential, corresponding exponential form? So your b looks like is your b, your base here is 2. Your x is all this stuff here, x squared minus 1, and your y is 3. Okay, can somebody tell me how to convert that now? That should be pretty simple, huh? Now we know the formula. So how do you write this, everyone? What do we have on the left-hand side? Okay, anybody with the mic? You want to see some of your typing? It says 2 to the power of what? Here, this is 2. Your base is 2. Your base is 2. Should be your b to the power of y. Whatever number is right in front of this equal sign. So it must be 2 to the power of 3 then, right? So 2 to the power of 3 is equal to all this stuff here. Does that make sense so far? Just converting the way you see it there. Okay, so it would be 2 to the power of 3 is equal to x squared minus 1. So this is what you need to do. You need to convert this into its corresponding exponential. So again, this is the base, 2 to the power of whatever this number is, 3 is equal to x squared minus 1. So now we have the equivalent expression without any of that funny symbols in it. It says x squared minus 1. Okay, is that easy to solve now? Can somebody tell me how to solve this? What would be a next step? What is 2 to the power of 3? 8, right? So 8 is equal to x squared minus 1. Then the next step here is to add 1 to both sides of the equation. So you get 9 is equal to x squared. If 9 is equal to x squared, what is x, anyone? What is x? X would be equal to what? Somebody type 3 and minus 3. So it would be square root of plus and minus 9. You're right. So it would be x would be equal to plus and minus 3.